Fear can kill you faster than a bad strategy in Forex. If you are new to Forex and you might be scared as to what is happening, this is a real account, and if you have fear, then maybe you might have a fear of the unknown, fear of being wrong, fear of missing out, fear of losses, fear of giving back profits. So let me show you how to actually overcome your fears in trading. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be 100%. I want to be technical with you and be real with you. I don't want to just mislead you or just motivate you, right? I want to give you the real information. It's important to understand what you need to do when it comes to trading. Now, fear, right? Fear of the unknown. If right now you are trading the market, you need to expand your knowledge. Get the information right. You see here, we're trading, right? We have a Deriv account. This is a real account, by the way. I want to make sure that you double check. You see, when you click this icon here, we see the deposit, we see withdrawal. All right, now we go this side. We have another account. If you like to actually trade using these brokers that I use, you go to YouTube, you search Bozza Trader, you subscribe there, and you click here. You use this website links that I recommend. You can trade with Deriv, you can trade with Blueberry. You register your trading account once, right? Once you've registered a trading account once, you now have to log into the broker's website, right? You can log into the broker's website. This is Deriv. You now have to log in, and if you have some difficulties as to how to log in and all that, let me know in the comment section below. This is my real account on Deriv, right? And we also have the Blueberry. I trust you understand. Now, let's look at fear, all right? So I trust you understand what you need to do. Fear of unknown. Expand your knowledge. I wanted to share with you the strategy that I share as to for you to expand your knowledge as to what you need to do. Now, we have a Bozza strategy here, and we have another strategy, Bozza strategy. Just make sure that you watch this tutorial, right? And for you to open trade account, you watch this tutorial. We have another tutorial where you have to open trading account with Deriv. Now, this is another strategy that I share, and it's actually something that I have experience on. I'm not sharing something that I'm just teaching you for the sake of just teaching. I'm teaching you something that is actually something that I know that works. So you can actually go there, try it out, and comment on our video so that you let me know if it does work. Right now, expand your knowledge. I can be your mentor. You can also find someone to be a mentor so that they can share more experience of what you need to do. Right now, fear of being wrong. Always, I was like this myself when I started trading the market. So I wanted to be perfect. All right. So I've realized that I don't need to be 100% perfect. There is no correlation being right and profitable. Now, I want you to understand this. If you fear being wrong, just know that it's just a feeling, all right? It's just a feeling. That's actually, it's a feeling of, because of that's something that you actually trying to do. You don't have much knowledge about it. You don't have much experience about it. It's something new to you. So give it time, all right? Give it time. If you fear being wrong, give it time, and just, you along the way you will develop to accept that some of the times you'll be wrong, some of the times you'll be right. But you don't need to be right all the time. You don't need to be wrong all the time. You just have to balance the win rate, right? At least have 60%, such as the strategy that I share here. All right. Make sure that you watch the tutorial. All right. And you can also join our WhatsApp group to get updates. To get updates, you can click here and join our free WhatsApp group. Now, the win rate here, you have 40%, you have 60 to 40%, and you are trading on a smaller time frame. So this is actually good. So don't fear being wrong here. Now, fear of missing out. If right now you are trading in the market, you fear that you might miss out and you might get early or you might get too late. So make sure that you place stop orders. Like I've actually instructed here how to actually go on about placing the orders. You can also watch this tutorial about market orders as to how we actually I don't want us to make noise. Okay, all right, watch this tutorial. Make sure that you watch this tutorial as to how to place the pending orders, place stop orders, right? And place a stop loss and take profit so that you don't have any issue. Now, fear of losses. do not fear losses. You will make losses, right? You'll make losses, but if you focus on this, you'll understand now you have a system that on a monthly basis, you're expecting to profit 6 trades and you're expecting to lose 4 trades on an average. And this will keep you profitable on the long run, on the long run, and will make you more money. Now, fear of giving back profits. You work on what? You work on risk to reward ratio. Now, we have another tutorial here on this channel where I've actually, what's this tutorial? Risk to reward ratio. We have another tutorial also. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? You must work on what? Work on risk to reward ratio. That you should not fear what? Getting on a trade based on that you fear giving back the profits. If right now you have your risk to reward ratio in this way, right? You have 1:4, which means if you're risking $2, you're expecting to profit 4 times this $4. So if right now you're expecting to profit 4 times, let's say in this case we say the 2 times by the 4, that will give us what? That will give us $8. All right, which means we are profiting 4 times, which is 4 times 2. You're profiting 4 times of what you're risking. So you work on this. How you work on this? You working on this like this on paper, and then you go to your MetaTrader 5 and you align this. Once you go to MetaTrader 5, you align this by using the demo account. You align it by using the demo. You go to chart section, and when you click, let's say you click buy, you look at the lot size. You can see that 0.01. This is actually a silver versus the gold, the US dollar. You see here we have the buy, and you tap here, and then you'll be able to see this feature. You tap on SR, then you can now align what? Align using the $2 using the lot size here. But make sure that when you align the risk to reward ratio to the 2 using the lot, right? You can keep changing a lot based on the asset. Some of the asset they're actually expensive, some of the asset they're actually less expensive. Such as this asset, it's actually more volatile. When I talk about volatile, we're talking about that if you risk, let's say you're using this 0.01 and you are risking 44 points, that will be equivalent to $2.20. Now, some assets, they actually, you will risk more than, let's say you're risking 97, but it will actually, it will be 2 point something in dollars, right? So you align what the lot size in this way if you're comfortable losing this money, all right? So make sure that you are comfortable. You trade with the money you can afford to lose in Forex. This is actually the rule, right? A disclaimer that traders, they do lose money. Traders, they do make money. We can't run away from losses. We can't run away from profits. But we have to work on system, creating the system that actually give us more advantage. But at the same time, we are managing the risk. So trade with the money that you are comfortable to lose, and this is how we go on about that. And then take profit. Remember the structure. You will actually get it because of what? Because of the strategy that I share. So I trust you understand. So you work on this way, and you work with this. You'll be able to actually find all the solution working for you. But you don't need to be 100%, right? You don't need to be 100% perfect. You just have to get started, get to know that you can't avoid to fear, right? You can't avoid to fear the market, right? I myself, I do have fears, right? But if right now you are trading news, which is something that if you are new, you don't know what news, what are we talking about, what the fundamentals are. We're talking about news reports. If you tap here, you go to economic calendar, you'll be able to see that we have an economic calendar. If you'd like to learn more about what news, what are we trading, NFP, CPI, what is this? We have another tutorial on this channel. Please make sure that you watch it. Now, if you are someone who is influenced, you're just a follower, then the fear, just like me, I quit trading news, right? I'm not a news trader. I don't trade the fundamentals. The reason why, if right now I'm trading, I don't expect to actually make profit just by using by movement of one candlestick, because I understand the average movement. If right now I understand the moving average, we're talking about points. If you don't understand about points, we have another tutorial on this channel where I explain what are points, how to actually what are points, what you need to know about point. You scroll until you see a tutorial about points, how to actually here you watch the tutorial, right, so that you understand the points. Because this 600 here, if you're using one standard lot, which is 1.00, this will be equivalent to $600. I'm not someone who's actually expecting to make this much. And then the risk here, let's say, is 200 points, and that will be equivalent to $200 just to make $600. I don't want to be risking in this way. So I understand the risk that I'm comfortable with, the money that I'm comfortable of, I can afford to lose. All right, I trust you understand. So if right now you're someone who's shaking during the time of news and you really love to trade the news, you can continue trading the news, but my recommendation is that change from trading the news and come trade the technical. We have another tutorial here so that you understand what are fundamentals and what are technical. So make sure that you watch the tutorial. I trust you understand. Now, these are the solutions that I'm giving you. So you let me know if are you shaking when it comes to trade the news, or when it comes to trading in the financial market. Let me know. This is our real account, guys, and we are still in profit. I love you all. I'll see you on another tutorial. If you let me know on the comment section below if you were having any fears here and did this help. Let me know on the comment section below. I would really love to hear your feedback, and I'll see you on another tutorial. Stay blessed. I love you all. And for those who like to actually join our WhatsApp group and also join our mentorship program, please make sure that you click this link here and you join our free WhatsApp group. And you can follow us on our other social media networks. And that's all for now. I love you all. Stay blessed. I'll see you in another tutorial.